The next recipe in our theme of sensational side dishes also comes from Turkey and once again showcases the amazing creativity of combining simple ingredients for maximum flavor. Recipes like this have been handed down through the generations and were cooked on the most basic of cooking equipment. We, however, are fortunate to have the benefit of these heritage recipes as well as the tools to make the preparation so much easier. In the original recipe, the dish is steamed on the cooktop, but I am of course going to cook it in my steam oven. Why? Well, when I cook in my steam oven, I don't have to worry about any boil-overs or cooking foods at too high a temperature. I just use the steam mode set to 212 degrees and set the timer. Best of all, that leaves my hands free to prepare other foods to serve with this delicious bulgur and greens. The recipe is a very simple combination of grains and greens. However, it does call for an entire head of garlic, about 12 cloves, that are peeled and chopped. Once the garlic is chopped, it's mashed with some salt before being combined with the finely chopped onions, the kale, bulgur, olive oil of course, and red pepper paste. I was able to find the coarse bulgur and Turkish red pepper paste for this recipe at my local Middle Eastern market. However, I'm sure they could also be purchased online. Once all the ingredients are combined in a large pan, half a cup of water is added to the pan and worked into the bulgur. Finally, the pan goes into the steam oven for 30 minutes to cook through. Simple to prepare, delicious as well as nourishing, this dish can be served warm or cold, garnished with some fresh lemon and chopped parsley, and let's face it, it pairs well with almost everything. Grilled chicken, fish, you get the idea. Give it a try, it's really fabulous. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really well. And please like and subscribe.